of us. Now I've realized that I can't live without you.